Hi everyone, so the purpose of this homework is to prepare us for our lesson tomorrow. It's a challenging lesson and requires a lot of background skill, so I want to make sure that we all are a little bit caught up with what we need to be doing. So, the first skill we're going to be reviewing is finding the square of a number. So in each of these problems we have a whole number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to square that number. And to square a number, so if we had a squared for example, that would mean that we have to multiply a by itself to get a squared. So we have two a's, a times a, which gives us a squared. And this is an exponent, and this would be the same as a squared here. So we have a value to a power of 2, which means that we put two a's and we multiply them together. So in this instance, we have the number 1. So this means that we're going to take 1, multiply it by 1, and that is going to be 1 squared. And 1 times 1 in this case is just 1. 2 squared is just going to be 2 times 2. 2 times 2, which is going to give us 4. 2 squared is 2 times 2, and that gives us 4. Same thing for 3 squared. We can take 3 and multiply that by 3. That's going to give us, bad equal sign. It's going to give us a 9. 3 times 3 is going to be equal to 9. Next we have 4 squared, which is just 4 times 4, which is going to be 16. And last thing I'm going to do is going to be 5 squared. So that's going to be 5 multiplied by 5, which gives us a total of 25. So we take any number and we square it. That means that we take our number and we multiply it by itself once. We have 2 total numbers, which is why I have an exponent of 2. And that's going to give us the answer to all these. So, work through the rest of them. You can feel free to do a calculator on some of the bigger numbers. And then I will make 2 more videos that will through the other 2 types of problems that we have. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I will see you in a second in the other videos.